Good almost afternoon, Algebros, where my day of being an underpaid proctologist continues. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, with the bell. By the way, I'm still teaching, so if anybody else thinks that they need to interrupt for any reason, please go ahead. Because nobody ever interrupts y'all, or I never interrupt y'all when y'all are trying to talk to me. All right, so it's add and subtract. Again, most people should be able to do this in their head. If not, we have calculators. If you can't do it, CalcuNow, calculator. All right, you're going to add, subtract the numbers in the same position. Let's see, -1 plus -2. Okay, that's the answer. Look, that's just how it goes. Super duper crazy hard. Okay, this number plus this number. It's this right here. Oh my gosh. 1 plus 2. Oh. So that's really it. Basically, I could really stop now and say that's the lesson, because that's literally it. Okay, now to add and subtract matrices, they have to be the same size. Okay, like this one, see how it goes 1 2 3 4, like it's 2 by 2. Okay, this one, this is a 1 row by 2 columns, 2 column. Okay, they're not the same size. Okay, I don't know, seeing stuff the same size might be, I shouldn't think that would be difficult for people, because teenagers love to point out the obvious, like hey, you seem a little agitated. Why is that vein popping out of your forehead? By the way, the email that you sent out to all the parents yesterday, my parents didn't read it. So now, number 1, let's see. 4 plus 6. What is 4 plus 6?
10.
Okay, and then 5 plus -4, 1. That's our answer. Okay, matrices, when you break them down like this, are actually not that bad. This is how I actually taught my son how to multiply. I'd be careful with passing gas. There's this really bad stomach virus going around, and it's making people shart their pants. Now, so 4 minus 4. Well, if you had 4 brain cells and you hit your head and you lost them, you have 0 brain cells. Then we have this one is -1 minus -2. Now, how? Okay, so 1 minus, so this plus positive, so this becomes 1. Okay, this right here, this is 3 minus 3, which is 0. 3 minus 6, -3. Okay, now now you got to pay attention. -5 minus, let's see, -5 minus -5. You can actually write it out to the side if you need to, or you could just type it in the calculator. Either way, it's going to help you get the right answer. And then -4 minus -6. All right, believe it or not, I'm going to stop the lesson right here because I want to. And then we're going to come back and go over this later. All right, good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.